In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint in Photopea. First, head over to Photopea and create a new project. To do this, click on the New Project option. After that, you can either choose a preset size or manually enter the width and height you want for your canvas. Make sure the background is set to white if you want a clean surface to work on, and then click Create. Once your project is ready, you can start painting. On the left side of your screen, you will see the toolbar that contains different tools such as the brush tool, pencil tool, clone tool, and others. Right-click on the tool icon in that position to open the tool menu, and from the list select the brush tool, which is the tool used for painting. Before you begin painting, it is important to create a new layer. You should avoid painting directly on the background layer because it can make editing difficult later. To create a new layer, go to the Layers panel at the bottom right side of your screen and click the New Layer icon. A new empty layer will appear above the background, and this is the layer where you should paint. Next, choose the color you want to paint with. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see two color boxes. Click on the upper color box to open the color picker. Then select the color you want and click OK. After choosing the color, you can adjust the brush settings. If the brush panel is not visible, click on the window option at the top of your screen and enable brush. Inside the brush panel, you will see several sliders that control how the brush behaves. The size slider changes the thickness of the brush. The roundness and hardness settings control the shape and edge softness of the brush. Lower hardness values create soft, blurry edges, while higher hardness values create solid and sharp edges. There is also a spacing option, which controls the distance between brush marks. Increasing the spacing will create a dotted or dashed effect when you paint. To start painting, simply click and drag your cursor on the canvas. You can draw freely wherever you like. If you want to draw a perfectly straight line, click once at the starting point, move your cursor to the ending point. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click again. Photopea will automatically create a straight line between those 2 points. You can also zoom in for more precise work by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and scrolling your mouse wheel. If you want to change your brush size quickly, you can adjust it from the Brush Settings panel or from the Options bar at the top. Whenever you want to use a different color, simply click the color box again and choose a new color. If you accidentally draw over an area you do not want, you can erase it easily. Right-click on the Brush tool in the toolbar and select the Eraser tool. Just like the brush, you can adjust the size and hardness of the eraser and then click and drag on the canvas to remove parts of your painting. Using the brush and eraser together allows you to refine your artwork and make adjustments as you work. And this is how you can paint in Photopea.